We are a software company focused specifically on hedge funds, asset managers, and investment managers. What our goal is to use marketing data, website data, social media data to help you raise assets by knowing who are the people that are likely to invest based on their website, email, and social media engagement with you, and also which of your investors you need to be talking to on the fact that they can either buy more products from you or potentially they're looking to come out of your products. I think the future of fintech itself will evolve. We do believe that AI, machine learning, and blockchain have a huge amount to assist in providing what ultimately is everybody's goal in fintech, is how can they target the right people with the right message and find ways to raise more assets, or in some cases preserve assets.
To make your life really easy and benefit from the innovations, you have to use a couple of services and a couple of different fintech applications, etc. The problem is that all those different applications, they don't communicate with each other. They're not integrated. You might have wallet or money trapped in different wallets, and the money is not interchangeable amongst them. That's why we started looking how we can facilitate that, and started with the consumer offering. And then on the way we realized that the platform we have can actually be leveraged to benefit consumers, businesses, as well as merchants.
Okay, so I'm very proud of that, and we use a lot of different types of what we call new types of digital marketing. So from anything from PPC to lead generation, and that's so we use that to do profiling our ideal clients, but we do it also for our clients. So if we're trying to find their ideal clients to sell their services and products, then we use that particular software. I also think from investors, those investors who are based in Switzerland or registered in Switzerland, who are looking for that next innovative idea here in the UK, so that we could put on some pitching and showcase. Because I sit on the Women's Tech Board here in London, it would be an honour to showcase those and then live stream them video over to Switzerland to actually show those companies if people can't attend the events here in London. And indeed, why don't we take them to Zurich?
But when you think about innovation in our world, of course you think how to innovate the distribution structure, the way you reach out to people. But actually innovation is at the heart of our business, because what we are selling are traces and proofs for innovation, because art is all about innovation, at least since the classical modern period, when the innovative character of an artwork became the core of the art character of a piece. The best example is Picasso, one of the greatest artists of the 20th century, who constantly reinvented himself. And in hindsight, art history has now put his artistic development into chapters, and you would differentiate the blue period and the neoclassic period.
Secondly, I tend to just look at two things. One is cash flow, and two is sale and what's happening with sales, right? And customer feedback. Very, very simple to keep it very focused, because I think that's what the startup should be focused on. But also, secondly, it doesn't put a lot of onus on big reports or fancy updates or anything else. It's very practical what they should be doing to run and grow their business, not for meeting my needs as an investor, which I think is a waste of their time.